Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today's video is about guidance. Before we begin, please subscribe for more Islamic content, inshallah, and inshallah you'll get good deeds for it. So, one thing we should remember is that we should make dua for guidance. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He guarantees that we'll get guidance if we make sincere dua for it. We already have a little bit of guidance because we're doing stuff for Islam. We're learning about Islam. We're talking about Islam. We're teaching about Islam, and that requires us to have at least a little bit of guidance. So just make dua for guidance, and hopefully we can quickly or slowly or however it is, build guidance and gain so much guidance that inshallah we'll get Jannatul Firdaus. And when we think about it, guidance is all around us, whether that be in all the good that's around us, all the bad, all the fitna, all the barakah. There's all types of guidance. I've made videos over elephants and how they can give us guidance. I've made a video about trees and how they can give us guidance. But in the world, pretty much everything can give us guidance. Our beds can give us guidance that, hey, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made us a bed, and alhamdulillah, that's great. The sun can give us guidance because we can remember that, hey, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was mighty enough to create it. And that's one of the things that we should remember, is that anybody can gain guidance out of pretty much anything. And we should do this. We should think to ourselves on a consistent basis how this thing benefits us, and we should say alhamdulillah for it. If something is creating trouble for you, then say alhamdulillah for an opportunity, or make dua that this fitna will go away. And when you start thinking about things like that, things can inshallah get better at you. We should remember that no matter what situation we are in, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made it so then there's a possibility of a win. If you're struggling in life, then it's a win if you have patience and sabr and hold on to your religion, because then you'll get the reward will be that much greater. If you're having some great time in your life, say alhamdulillah for that. That's a win. If you're sad, then get through it, and if you hold on to your religion, then you'll get guidance for it. And some sadness maybe some sadness won't go away. Maybe it's something like someone close to you died and you continue to be sad and you have these negative emotions. That's okay, but have your faith in mind when you do these things. That doesn't mean you don't have to be sad, but remember, you have to hold on to Allah. When you do, you're a winner. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He didn't create this world perfect, because this world was meant to test us. What He did do was He created the perfect test. And we should remember that. We should remember, this world isn't a perfect world, but this world is a perfect test. And when you think of things like that, so many things become clear. Why is there evil in this world? Well, it's a test. Why doesn't Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala take care of that evil? It's a test. And when you start thinking of these things, doubts can go. You might have some of your doubts go away. Why did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala do this? Why did He forbid me from that? Why is this like that? That kind of goes away when you remember that this is a test, and the true happiness that we all feel. And I'm not saying that the happiness we feel in this world is not true, but there will be greater happiness in the next life. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jazakallahu khairan kaseera for watching. Please subscribe, and inshallah you'll get good deeds for that.